Hello student, this is Standard 7 Language Chapter 11 page number 72. In this video we are going to do the most important chapter, prepositions. Now what is a preposition? Prepositions are words placed before a noun or a pronoun. They show the relation of a noun with the other part of a sentence. So what is a preposition? Prepositions are words placed before a noun or a pronoun. They show the relationship of the noun with other parts of a sentence. Okay, so for example, the cat is sitting under the table. So what is preposition? The cat is sitting under the table. So we have underlined under. Under is the preposition. Next example is he is senior dash me. He is senior to me. Okay, so this is known as what? This is known as preposition. Now next one is types of prepositions. Are various types, but in this chapter you will get very few, like only one kind of preposition, that is simple preposition you are learning in this chapter. So now type of preposition. So time. Okay, so time gives information about time. Time gives information about time. For example, we are going to the picnic on Sunday. So when it is day, you have to put on. Okay, so time what? When it is day, you have to put on. When it is year, you have to put in. He is born in 2010. He is born in 2010. Okay, so when it is time refers to, if it is day, you have to write on. If it is year, you have to write in. Okay, to refer to a particular day or a date. Example, on 24th June on Saturday. Okay, on 24th June on Saturday. Okay, so in this case it will take both on 24th June on Saturday. Okay, so next come at, to indicate the specific time of a day. Okay, at, when will you write? To indicate the specific time of a day. He met me at 4:30 p.m. He met me at 4:30 p.m. Okay, so that case you will put at. From, next one is from, to indicate the starting time of an action. Okay, to indicate the starting time of an action. Example, I will come to school from Monday. Okay, so now you will not come to school. I am just giving you an example. Okay, there will be a meeting from Monday. Okay, he is leaving from 6 months. So this case you can write down from. Okay, next one is for, to indicate the period of time. Okay, so for will be to indicate the period of time. Okay, which is the action continues, to indicate the period of time for which the action continues. For 2 hours. Okay, I am practicing maths for 2 hours. Okay, so for is what? For 6 months. Okay, he is on training for 6 months. Okay, next one is indicate time is since. The action started in the past, that is since. To indicate the starting time of an action that has continued till the present. He has been playing since morning. He started playing in the morning. Right now also he is playing. So these are the prepositions that is used to show the time. Next one, some of the common prepositions of time are during, for, from, since, before, after, till, by, and within. Okay, so preposition of place. Now let us, so this is about time I have taught you. Now next category is preposition of place. Okay, shows the position of a person, place, animal or thing referred to the noun. Okay, shows the action of the person, place, animal or thing referred to the noun. For example, our uncle lives in California. Okay, so another in is to indicate something, content or space. The lobby, in the lobby, in the cupboard. Okay, so this case also you can write some content space. Okay, in the lobby, in the cupboard, etc. Next one is on, to indicate the surface of something. Example, the book is on the table. The book is on the table. The picture is hanging on the wall. That means it is indicating the surface of something. Next one is at, to refer to the small area. When it is referred to small area, we put at. If it is referred to big area, we put in. So right now we are doing at. So I met him at the airport. Suppose there is a thing is that I met him dash the airport. I met him at the airport dash Mumbai, in Mumbai, because Mumbai is a big place. So in big place we write in, and in small place we write at. Okay, to refer to the specific place, for example, at the entrance, at the hotel, at the gate, etc. So if it is referred to small place, we put at. If it refers to big place, we put in. So this much clear. So let us move to the next one. Preposition of movement and direction shows the movement and the from one place or to the direction which is to be taken. For example, we decided to climb up the hill. Okay, so it is showing the direction. We decided to climb up the hill. Next one is the river flows down the hill. If it is going up, so this is up, and down is a preposition, up is the preposition. Some prepositions of movement and direction and their uses. Okay, so next one is some prepositions of movement, direction and their uses. First one is across, to indicate movement from one end to another. Okay, something that is one end to another. There is a temple across the road. There is a temple across the road. Again, into, when the action is on, in that case we write into. The preposition into is used to indicate the movement from outside to inside. Like the example is, he jumped into the swimming pool. He was outside, then he jumped into the swimming pool. Okay, next one is through, to indicate the movement within a space. To indicate a movement within a space. Okay, so next one is, next example is, we walked through the jungle. Go through the syllables. So in this case you can write through. So next one is towards. Towards indicates the direction. Okay, he moved, he is heading towards the east, so in the direction. Okay, he is heading towards the east. Along, to indicate one point to another. We walk along the beach. We walk along the road. So these are some prepositions that is given in this chapter. So what is preposition? Preposition is a word that is placed before a noun or a pronoun. They show the relationship of a noun in order to show their position. So that is why preposition, that's why it is called preposition. They show their position. It is placed before a noun or a pronoun. Okay, that's it. Thank you.